We got a little car show going on here, guys. The C28. Got the wheels on it. You guys can see. There's the interior of it. That's pretty cool. C28. C28. Got the fin strapping on it. That's pretty cool.
Well, this is the way to start your birthday weekend off, right?
That's one way to start off the afternoon, though. With some classic cars here and there. Which one is that? Huh? I saw that.
That's a plus.
Hey, y'all want to film me while I'm checking out the cars? All right. Which one y'all want to hold the camera? But don't worry. But this time, hold it like this. But don't be moving everywhere. Just follow my lead. All right.
Oh, there's a 1967.
All right, guys. You guys an update. So I think they have a car show going on here. So you guys might have to walk around. So basically, what we're doing is we have one of my personal favorites. This 19-something Chevy Camaro C28. This is my personal favorite. This color scheme is perfect. So and then we got one up here. And we got another one. We got a 1989 OBS Chevy Silverado 1500 single cab. 5.7 350. You got the plastic hood. You got the glass headlights. You got the blacked out paint job. Looks amazing. All right, come on. All right. Then we got a very beautiful black Camaro right here. It's awesome. And then we have one of my personal favorites, which is the Chevy Corvette. Pretty freaking awesome. One of my personal favorites. So, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below and I'll keep you guys posted on what I have to say. We got a Volkswagen right here. Look at the like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Comment down below. As always, woo!